What's up guys, Retro Django here. In today's video we are going to talk about my top 5 pinball streamers. Now for years I have always said in my videos, who watches other people playing pinball? It's so boring, I don't want to watch others play. Of course, when I play with my friends, I can wait to my own turn and I'm watching what they're doing. I enjoy stuff like that. But online, sitting down and watching somebody else play, I have never done it, okay? It's just nothing for me. But I came across one really professional streamer and I saw 3 or 4 of his videos and that was cool. After that, I wanted to see how others feel between Godzilla Ellie and the Godzilla Pro. So I searched for Godzilla Pro gameplay and one guy in particular just caught my interest, and after that I really enjoyed this. So I will show you my top 5 list. Let's start with number 5. At number 5 we have got Frisco here. Likeable guy, plays well.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that should have been it. Right ramp? There it is.
Only problem I have got with this guy is the audio.
Oh, shoot. It was left spinner. Alright, we're past Megalon though.
Yeah. The audio of the machine is too low, and when he speaks, it feels like he takes the microphone into his mouth. I don't know why.
Let's go.
Why? Just stand over there. Okay. So when I want to enjoy this gameplay, I want
skill shot,
high volume so I can hear what's going on, and especially in Godzilla.
8 million.
I love the music of this pinball machine, so I want to hear the call-outs, the music and everything. So I like high volume, but I did write to him, please don't do this. I hope on the next stream he will stop that. But other than that,
let's get out of here.
Oh, sorry guys.
Somewhere else.
Sorry.
And now we can start locking balls and then hopefully get another battle started.
Yeah, okay. Frisco at number 5. Likeable guy. I don't know his name. I watched a couple of his Godzilla Ellie gameplays. I enjoyed. So he comes in at number 5. Let's jump into number 4 on the list. Alright, at number 4 on the list is IE Pinball. Now, this guy, he can play pinball. It's just incredible how well he shoots. He plays Godzilla here at version 0.93 and he makes like 47 billion points or something like that. Highly enjoyable, laid back guy. The volume of the game is fine. He's
question is Annabelle or light out lane? Annabelle I say for the tank.
Voice is also fine.
Nice to have. Let's forget that lane.
So highly enjoyable gamer here. The quality is real nice, the picture quality, everything is
yeah, the super train, yeah, it's all gone now. Can I get another ally from Jets? No, I don't think from Jets.
It's fine here. Oh, please take
this from this side.
This is my favorite music. Listen to this one. King
So this
Ghidorah.
is 3, you want 3 hits.
Just
on each of
listen
the
to
shots.
this music, guys. I love it. It should be higher. Come on, I love this music. No, it's just not loud enough.
Oh my gosh, that was almost.
Yeah, here we can see still some of this.
It's ramp.
I want volume from this. At least equal.
After shooting those ramps so well during Geigen, I'm completely missing it.
This is my favorite music, but I can't share it with you. It's not loud enough. Okay, so this guy, he knows how to play pinball. Highly enjoyable. Fully recommended. Check this one out. IE Pinball.
That felt way
He's a player. Okay.
Getting crapped on here, isn't it?
All right. Coming in at number 3. Now you're thinking, number 3? Jack Danger? What's going on? Dead Flip, Jack Danger. Yes, he comes in at number 3. I don't think he streams stats much anymore because he has, he's designing at Stern right now. I'm really looking forward to that game. But the stream quality is super nice. He is really, or was, I don't know what I should say, really entertaining while he's streaming. He plays really nice. I wanted to see some Deadpool gameplay, and I watched his video. That was actually the first video I saw, and it caught my interest. He played that game really well. So at number 3, Jack Danger. If you like pinball streaming, you know that guy. So he comes in at number 3. Let's jump over to number 2. That's a likable guy. Okay.
Come on, scoop.
What are you trying to do now?
Hit the scoop, not drain.
Coming in at number 2, this guy. I don't know his name.
What do you what's your trick?
So
you
sorry.
Just get it over here and bam.
2 seconds. Let me just.
He's the translator for Godzilla. Godzilla says
Okay. This guy, he really got me into watching pinball streaming. He is playing on he's borrowing a Godzilla Pro from Zach, and Zach switches these games out. He also streamed Rush after this. That wasn't enjoyable as much as this one. He recently played Guns N' Roses. It was so boring to watch, but he has made 2 videos with Godzilla Pro, and he has some other guy at the speaker that guides him. The text is readable, big and readable, so you can go in and see what's going on. Now I don't watch on Twitter or Twitch or what's it called. I don't watch there. I watch everything on YouTube. So yeah, readable, perfect, very nice lit, so you can see what's going on. Really likable guy. He's positive. I mean, his positivity, and he's happy when he plays. He's not the best player, and I'm saying that with a smile because he said it also. But it's really not important. He enjoys Godzilla Pro, and I enjoy watching this guy playing this game. So
contest update. We have 2 winners.
this dude, I don't know his name, but just go in and he's at Flippin' Out, TPNT. So go and watch when he plays. I mean, he has got 2 Godzilla streaming videos up on YouTube, and they are both just highly enjoyable. So this guy gets so much thumbs up, I can't explain you. So gameplay wise, this dude, he's just wow, likable, positive, generally happy guy. I like that. So yeah, he comes in at number 2. And let's jump over to the best pinball streamer. I mean, the best that I enjoy almost every week, that needs to win the Twippies next time. So let's jump over to his pinball streaming now.
And I want to spend every time I can with him. I mean, it's just, it makes me so excited knowing that I'm choking up a little bit, knowing that he's about to go through childhood and have one of the greatest experiences. Like, he's gonna learn like what a dinosaur is and what a Jedi is and who Optimus Prime was and who the Autobots are. It's like, and he looks at me with such like he's in awe like of everything. I can't. No, it's like, it's early in the morning. I'm not gonna do it. And, but then I think about pinball's gonna be fun to introduce him to pinball and like give him his Toy Story pinball machine.
Number 1, the best pinball streamer, guys. It's Canada's Pinball Podcast. Now, this is not on YouTube. It's on Facebook. he has got this Saturday morning spectacular that hits me at the afternoon at the way back from job. So it just, I listen to him in my car when I'm driving home. Super nice. He doesn't even play pinball machine on his streams, but it is number one because he just assembles everybody in the whole world can go in and join this and write on the comments, write with each other. When I am in here, I'm in contact with a lot of my friends from Australia, from Mexico, from the US, from UK, from Germany, from here in Denmark. We're all in here and we're writing to each other while Canadian is talking about pinball. This is just a fantastic way to put the community together. Yeah, sometimes he's talking about stars. If you want to give him stars, give him stars. If don't. But other than that, this is just pinball talk about, I don't know, 2 hours every Saturday. But something like this, he's up at, 5 o'clock. He is so tired here. But then he streams and he says, this is for my European listeners or Australian listeners. So he streams, a couple of times every week. And this is absolutely the best pinball stream without playing any pinball. This is just great. And I truly hope that he will win Twippy for the best pinball streamer. So yeah, it is what it is. Guys, that's my top 5 list. I hope that you will go in and check them all out. They're all highly enjoyable. That's what I like. That's what I want to share. And I want to, promote all these guys. I mean, why not? They have listeners maybe from their countries. I have a lot of European listeners, so also from the US, all over the world. But just, I'm promoting for them. And if I can help them and you and put the community together in this way, I will be so happy. So everybody smile, have a great day out there and enjoy a lot of pinball content. Retro Django out.